Hi guys, this video will be about getting free touch and go reload by doing surveys online using an app. As you can see in my touch and go, only have like 2 ringgit and 96 cents for now. Now I'm gonna reload my touch and go using the pin that I get from the pin code that I get from the survey app. Just copy the code and then paste it at touch and go app. After that, just press the submit button and it's reloaded 20 ringgit. Now the balance of my touch and go app is 22 ringgit and 96 cents. So the app is Millieu, which is this one, that one I press. It's an app that let you do like simple surveys and you can earn points to convert to rewards. If you got rewards, there will be like buttons start surveys there. I've done the survey, so there's no more surveys for today. And then this is the reward that we can get. There's like Shopee vouchers, touch and go. This is my second time cashing out from this app. The first time I cashed out 20 ringgit boost. Now they changed it to touch and go 20 ringgit. Other than earning points from surveys, you can also earn points by referring a friend. When you refer your friend and they complete 7 surveys on this app, you will earn additional 500 points and they will earn free 500 points. This app is really legit, and if you guys are interested, please use my code so you can earn an extra 500 points. So guys, other than earning cash from this app, I've also done surveys at other websites and apps which are legit. I've earned like 100 plus per month. I will share it soon, so please like, share and subscribe to my channel so that you will not miss those videos. And if you guys want to know more about this app, please go to my description box. I will put the link of the video that I've made about this app before at my description box. Thank you.